Hey guys, so I'm going to pump the brakes just a little bit on the test. I'm going to push it back one class period for a couple of reasons. First of all, I feel like after yesterday's news, we all kind of need a kind of an exhale day. We know now we're going to be out for an extended amount of time. We're not going to be back until May 1st, so let's just sort of adapt and go with the flow, roll with the punches like we have been. So rather than just sort of have you churn ahead with another test, I thought that again, take a step back. So a couple things that I'm hoping will happen today. I'm hoping you'll spend some time with AP Classroom and you'll spend some time getting ready for that test that's next time. I'm also really hoping that you'll collaborate on that. I'm hoping you'll find ways to either get together, at somebody's house, or maybe it's a FaceTime chat, something along those lines. I'm hoping you can collaborate a little bit because that was one of our strengths when we were in person. You guys worked really, really well together, and I'm afraid that we're going to lose that because we're not in the same place at the same time. So now we're all kind of on an island. I feel like you guys have really built a really strong cultural, a strong culture among your group. So I don't want us to lose that. So I'm going to try to find more ways to provide you guys opportunities to collaborate. So for this first one, all I could come up with was you all have access to AP Classroom. You can FaceTime, you can get together, you can do whatever. I also feel that way about the test. I think it would be smart to get together with a couple of people and do the test together. I'm not asking you to get together with your whole class or anything like that. And again, if that happens remotely through FaceTime or whatever you guys use to video chat, great. I'm great with that. The other thing that I'm hoping will come out of today is my goal is to get your last test graded and back to you somehow, some way. I don't know what that's going to look like yet, so stay posted there. I did post, or I'm about to post, a grade update, so make sure you see that video. It's another short video of me talking. Looks a lot like this one. And then last but not least, excuse me, last but not least today, I really want to get some of your feedback on what's working well and what's not working well. I'm asking specific to my class, but I know we had a test and that's not great. So if you want to give me feedback about things that other teachers have been doing well that maybe I'm leaning away from the microphone. Other things that I could do better, this e-learning thing I've done in other schools, but I've never taught physics through e-learning, and it's a different school, whole different ball game there. So I need to know what's working for you and what's not working for you, so I can make changes now, since we're it looks like we're going to be out for a while. So I don't want anybody slipping through the cracks just because we've had to leave school and all of those kinds of things. So please. The only thing that I need you to submit today is that feedback form down at the very bottom of the Canvas page. So have a great day. Make sure you see that grades update video, and then don't forget to submit the Google form. I'll talk to you guys soon.